Hello guys! So today, I want to share with you yung box na na-receive namin ni James from a friend, Miss Jane Recto. Ayan, yay! So last night, si Sis Jane, tumawag siya sa akin and then she said na may tatawag sa akin dun sa may magde-deliver ng cake. Yun si Thad Villaruel. Ayan, thank you so much Thad Villaruel sa pagbe-bake ng cake. And yung nag-sponsor ay anonymous daw, sabi ni Sis Jane. So thank you po sa nag-sponsor ng Yema Cake. Naku, paborito ko pa naman yung Yema Cake. So guys, sa mga gustong umorder ng Yema Cake ni Thad Villaruel, you can visit their page, Paluto sa SG, and then look for Thad Villaruel, yung post niya. At kung gusto nyo mag-order sa kanya, yung kanyang number ay 81614386. You can contact him through WhatsApp. Ayan. And then, so ayun nga, mamaya bubuksan natin kung ano yung laman ng box. Thank you so much again, Sis Jane and Thad Villaruel, at sa anonymous na sponsor. Ayan, sana wag kayong matakam. Naku, hindi ko kayo ilinggit ha, pero masarap talaga yung Yema Cake. Yay! So, here's the box. So, instead na sa meetup, book na lang ako ng GoGo van para wag nang maabala ang aking darling na si James. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Okay, baka matakam kayo I'm so sorry guys. Yay! Wow! Grabe naman. Napaka-cheesy naman ito. Oh, see guys. Ang sarap kasi nakita ko pa lang yung picture, as in ganito yung itsura. Parang ang sarap-sarap niya. Thank you so much Sis Jane, Thad Villaruel, at saka sa brother mo. Thank you so much. Nako, mamaya i-share ko to sa aking housemates na sina Sharja, lalo-lalo na si Kuya Sian. Thank you so much again, Sis Jane. Nakaka-touch po. God bless you more, guys. Thank you so much. Naku, excited na akong kainin to. Salamat po. Thank you. Wow. Very nice. Watching. Ayan. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell, all notification, and leave a comment. Thank you so much guys. God bless you all. Bye bye. Thank you.